Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to purging a Framo pan. So just I first need to the airline needs to discharge the airline from the water. After water already is full, coming out from water. So just I need to connect the stripping hose. Stripping hose first need to connect the airline. And then other end need to connect the Framo tank nozzle. And then so just this Framo purging line other twin bar need to pre-bind the bucket. So just also now already missing whiny water missing water come out from the purging line. So just I need to drain and then air outside. This purging line, this for purging line drain, and then just I need this bucket key to plate the downside, and this Framo pan purging used after tank cleaning finish time. Every point after tank cleaning finish time used by Framo pan purging. So now already completed from Framo purging. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel. See you next week.